Hey Boosted, thank you so much for your prompt reply. This is just a reply video to what you had me check. You said go ahead and take the wheel drive off and inspect that and see if there's any, I don't know, something caught possibly in it. And I did, and I looked all around, and I took like an air can that I have right here and just blew that all over that. And then also in here, I've got a better light this time. So it's kind of harsh, bright white light, but you can see there's nothing that could potentially be making that noise. And when I took the wheel drive off, it sounds normal now, but I'm curious what it will sound like when I put it back on. Here, see, so that sounds good, and the wheel is, or this gear is moving. So. Okay, so I've put the wheel back on, but unfortunately the sound is still there. It sounds like if I put my ear to this, it sounds like it's actually coming from within here, which I didn't notice when this belt was off. But here, wait, no, this is kind of hard holding a flashlight and doing this, but it sounds like it's coming from within there. But I can't see anything in there that could potentially be loose. Or not loose, but hey Boosted, I just got off the phone with you guys, and you said you wanted me to inspect this and see if there's any pull or play to it. But I mean, as you can kind of see, no. Here I'm trying to pull on it. I mean, there maybe like a centimeter. It moves, but it's kind of hard to do this with holding the phone still. No, not really. But I think the sound is coming from inside here. When I spin it without the wheel on, like now. Here, wait one sec. It sounds fine. But yeah. It's not moving just because this is on the ground.